Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley Bedeck. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I've teamed up with Ali Pearl. They sent over this beautiful honey blonde highlight wig. It has a beautiful curl pattern to it and it is a bob. This is 250% density, 18 inches, and she's gorgeous. Absolutely flawless. Now this is a 13, I believe by 4 lace front wig. I'm trying to give you all the specs off the dome, but of course they're all listed in the description box, including a direct link to this beauty. So today we're going to be doing a start to finish install where you'll be seeing me literally install her straight out of the box from start to finish. So you're going to see the curls in this wig from all different stages. You'll see what it looks like straight out of the box. You'll see how it looks when kind of like we comb it out and have it super big. You also see it like with a cream product, which is like my favorite way to wear it. And then I showed you kind of like what it looks like wet with mousse. And because I wet it with the mousse, I did go ahead and diffuse it. So you'll see literally a transformation of all the states and stages of this wig. And yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the install as well as the tutorial. Okay, love bugs, here is the packaging here. We're going to be going straight out of the box. This is our beautiful wig here, and I'm showing you literally what she looks like, you know, from the start. She's a honey blonde kinky curly lace wig. She's 18 inches in length, a 13 by 4 lace front wig. Here is a look at the inside construction of the cap. We are rocking a free part lace front wig, so you can part it from ear to ear however you'd like. It does come with that elastic band, so I use that to anchor the wig on, and this is what she looks like on. She's definitely 250% density, and I'm just loving the curl pattern paired with the kinky texture, the kinky curly textured, and it did come set as a center part, which I am going to keep it as a center part. Here is a look at the hairline, and I'm just showing you guys like all of the details and specs. You will know if you choose this wig what you're getting. Coffee breaks are essential for making my coffee at home. This is your sign to make your coffee at home. Save that $6 to $8 plus what you pay for a pastry. Make your coffee at home. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut off all of the excess lace. I kind of work in sections, so in this case I did one half and then I did the opposite half. I'm using these clips to go ahead and like pull my hair back and keep it out of the way. And I'm showing you guys here that, you know, you got to cut the excess lace around the ear to make it fit your head like a glove. Some of us won't need to do that and some of us will. It just all depends on the size and shape of your head. Now I'm going to go ahead and bond it down with the wig already on, and I'm pretty much adding that glueless product on top. This is an extra hold or an extreme hold hairspray. So it's not marketed as a glue, but it has a tackiness to it. You guys know when you get your hair done, when you have too much hairspray in your hair, it's kind of like sticky or tacky. Now with that technology on the hairline, on the lace, will literally bond the wig down. Like, who knew? So I went ahead and added a generous amount from ear to ear, kind of worked it in with the comb, and then I went ahead and just kind of lightly blow dried it with a fan. I did finally get a new melt belt from my brand Bedeck.com. I have them in stock. It's just, I don't know, I just never ever shop my products. I always use them till they can't use it anymore. I went ahead and grabbed a fresh wax stick while I was in inventory as well, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to the entire parting as well as a little bit in the hairline. Once you add that product, it makes it a little bit easier to perfect the parting and make sure that it is absolutely perfect. And then I'm going to use the electric hot comb along the entire hairline and the parting to kind of just like press everything out and give it more of a relaxed look. You don't have to do this step. It is definitely an option to keep it nice and kinky. I kind of went ahead and tamed it, but again, it's all up to you what you take from this video and what you apply in your wigs and what you don't. I went ahead and blow dried the hair the rest of the way just because I knew this install process was going to be super fast. And so if it's going to take a long time, like when I'm curling my hair, it'll air dry on its own. But if I'm going to go ahead and lift the hair or just like add product to the hair, typically I won't have to have the melt belt on for that long. And in that case, I will blow dry to help it blow dry a little bit faster. Now here I am, I've added a little bit of water and I'm just combing the hair out. I really love the way it looks big and I kind of wish I would have kept it big. This is what it looks like when you keep it kind of big and you do like a super natural hairline. I just went ahead here and tinted the lace. I used a foundation cream in the parting and then I used a foundation powder along the hairline. These are both from Ruby Kisses, and I'll have them in my Amazon store as well as linked directly in the description box. And they just help to melt the lace and blend with my complexion. You can definitely play around with your colors to find your perfect color, but what one color will look like on your skin or on your lace with one wig may look completely different, especially when the color and texture changes. Here I am just going ahead and touching up the hairline as well. Again, I love that dynamic duo to go ahead and just make everything look nice and smooth and make it look like it's coming out of my scalp. Next, we're going bedhead for the cream product. That bedhead was what we use on the hairline as well to bond the wig down. And I'm just applying a fairly generous amount of this product, working it mainly in the ends and working my way up. And this is going to help to kind of like define the curls and tame the wig, if you will. So it's not too big for every day. And this is kind of like semi when we were done. I'm going to add some mousse in just a little bit and you'll see what that looks like. But I love the way it looks with just the cream product. Now here is the packaging. I'm showing you guys it did come with a bow attached. And then inside you do get your HD wig caps. You also do get this pack of really nice lashes and they're super full, exactly how I love them. This here is an edge brush in the color yellow. And then this here is a melt belt that says Alley Pearl all over top, as well as a dust bag in pink. Okay, ladies, so we are done with the look. Let me know what you guys think of this one. I feel like I want to pull the wig forward and or add baby hair because the forehead is definitely foreheading with this one. I went ahead and showed you guys the goodies that came in the packaging because sometimes I can talk for hours and hours. But this one is a 13x4 lace front wig in the length 18 inches, which it doesn't seem like 18 because of the curls, but you guys already know how that works. The cap size is a medium and it is 250% density. Now it definitely gives full 250% density and I love it. I love the look. I love the curls. The more product you add, the more defined it'll get. Again, I wasn't necessarily going for like wet, but you guys can see just adding that little bit amount of mousse will go in and define the curls even more, especially with the dimming brush. If you do want something a little bit more tame, because this is a fuller wig, you can definitely do that. I kind of wanted the drier curls, so I didn't add the mousse, and here I am adding the mousse after the fact, and this is like the last bit of it. I have some more on the way. As you guys know, no matter how many of the mousses I try, I always go back to Nairobi. Nairobi, if you're watching, sponsor me. Shit, send me a case because I am loyal. I may go ahead and blow dry or diffuse it off camera to get it back to the big dry look, but this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. There is a direct link to her in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.